Here we go, recording practice test question 2. It says Mark is a pre-calculus student. He applied the difference quotient to the function f of x equals 3x squared plus 5x. After getting his initial result, he let the value of h go to 0. Which of the following below is R? It should say R, the two statements that Mark should have on his paper. So basically what it's asking you is it wants you to apply the difference quotient to this function here. So my function is f of x equals 3x squared plus 5x, right? And I'm going to have to apply the difference quotient here. And so I have to apply f of x plus h minus f of x all over h, right? Alright, so, and again, we're going to follow the steps. Step 1 is I need to find f of x plus h, right? And to find f of x plus h, what I need to first do is write the original function out. So f of x equals, it's 3x squared plus 5x. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put parentheses around my x's, okay? And now, and what you're going to do is you're going to write them with blanks. So f of blank equals 3 times blank squared plus 5 times blank. If you notice, I left the blanks with some space because I'm going to put in x plus h. So I'm going to put in x plus h here. And now I'm going to simplify. So here I go. So f of x plus h equals 3 times, and you have to FOIL this first here. If you FOIL this, you're going to get x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. If you distribute the 5
Carolina,
here,
bravo. Carolina, please come to the main office.
what you end up getting is 5x plus 5h here. Alright. If you have questions on how this came to this one here, please just do it off to the side in your paper over here. You should get this means, remember, x plus h times x plus h. Just do that off to the side. You could pause the video, whatever. Anyway, so now what we're going to do, we're going to distribute the 3 to everything. So we end up with 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 5x plus 5h. Okay? And this is my f of x plus h. Okay? I'm going to underline this. I'm going to use it later. Alright? Alright, so that was step 1. Step 2 is easy. I need to find f of x. And of course, this is easy because it's already given. It's staring at us right in the face. F of x is 3x squared plus 5x. Okay? That's done. And the last step, which is a little bit arduous, can be confusing, is we're going to plug in everything into what? The difference quotient. So here we go. Ready? What is f of x plus h? That is this, which is this, which is this guy here. So we're going to plug this thing into here. Ready? And I'm going to do so down here. So f of x plus h, I'm going to rewrite this again. So f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So I'm going to plug this whole thing in for here. So what I get is 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 5x plus 5h. So this is just this piece here. See? This piece is just this. Now, minus f of x. What is f of x? F of x is this guy here. And this guy's f of x is going to go right here. And it's going to be parentheses 3x squared plus 5x all over h. Okay. All over h. Okay. And now we're going to simplify this here. So what do we get? We're going to rewrite this over here. So we get 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 5x plus 5h minus, here you have to distribute the negative here. Distributing the negative. So you're going to get here, that's negative 3x squared That's minus 5x all over h. And now some stuff cancels. Don't go cancel crazy. So let's circle my like terms. 5x, and these are opposites, so these go away. What else is an opposite here? 3x squared are opposites. So I'm going to rewrite this again. I'm going to write it up here now. 6xh, see, plus 3h squared plus 5h all over h. And as you can see, they all have 1h. So you're going to take out 1h from everything. Ready? So I'm going to take out 1h from here, 1h from u. There's 2 h's because it's h squared. If I take out 1, it's just 1h. And if I take out 1h here, what I end up with is the final answer, which is what? 6x plus 3h. Remember, I only took one of this from the square, plus 5. Okay? So the difference quotient, the final answer is going to be, let me write it down here. It's going to be 6x plus 3h plus 5. And if the problem says here, if h goes to 0, so that means if I let h go to 0, this is basically 0, so then you just end up with 6h plus 5. So this is my final answer. And you just look for the one that has that over here. And none of these have it. There's a typo. It should be A. It should be this one here. And, oh no it's not. Which one is it? That's wrong. Sorry. It should be D, because this clearly has 3x minus plus 3h plus 5 and 6x plus 5. So the answer is D.